In this video, we create a Flask file. Flask, we create a some. So first we create the index file that is normal home page, and when it comes to the math person, we design later. And after that, we create a app.py. We create we have first of all import Flask request and render HTML file the MP in the pandas to create a data frame. So first of all, pre-processing standard scalar. When we take input, we use a standard scalar to, and we use again pipeline prediction. The custom data we use and we predict pipeline. So there is the Flask name, and then we create a root API that is slash normal index. Then after that prediction, that is a create a form. In form we have a red. So in this project we have a create a root that is our API link, and we have a method pass get and post. If the get means we collect data, then it return the home page and we post some data. Then we do data custom data. In custom data, we request dot form dot get. That is when we create the data custom. So we have to do create custom data. Then the request dot get, and we have used our parameter as a x value, and we take input. After input, we what we to do? We have predict. So what we have to do now? We create a data to get data frame, that is our new folder. We store our in the data pipeline. In pipeline, that is our predict pipeline. We have created in predict pipeline. We have created a one function that is a predict function where we get all the features x value, and what we have to do, we again collect the model or preprocessor for model with predict the data and the preprocessor to convert our data into a scalar in array form. So first we'll load the model, preprocess our file path, load file path, the preprocessor path. Okay, then both are load. After what we to do, preprocessor dot transform our features, and we model return our predicted for predicted. So what first of all we data enter from the form, we convert into a data frame, that is which that is our init data custom data form, and we use this, and when we get, then we use as a data frame custom. So this is our data, and get data as a data frame in our app.py. Then we use predict df to show the data, and we use predict pipeline. So where we define the predict pipeline, we basically define in this predict pipeline, that is predict pipeline. In predict pipeline, we pass the predict features. So when we pass the features in app.py, we call the predict pipeline in between, and we have passed the our predicted data frame in the dot predict. And after we have to do render return.html home.html, and where we pass data as a result of 0. 0 means the best model of our list, and we their host app.run html 00. So what we have to do, we run python app.py. When we run app.py, then execute all files, and when we go to the browser, so we add a screen. Now we run 120, the normal 5000. We run. When we run the home page, welcome to the student maths score prediction app. So what is the URL? That is prediction. So prediction, then enter, then our prediction page is open. We pass the mail, a variable of as high level school, lunch type, free, or test score none, and score 45 and 89. And we click on the predict your math function. Then you predict, we call the function, and the predict data is shown on our HTML page. In this, the prediction is in here. So here you just load the model, pre-process the model, then that is our score, that is 84.03. So when we use this thing, then we get a 84 number in math. So that is our final output. So what we have to do, we design our front end, then we show again you, then we upload this all project in our AWS cloud. So here you see we pass our variables, we also write in console. So 88.04 numbers he predicted, and we pass the values, that is 0 male clear, then this is our value, and this before model, the model is loaded, and there our final output. Then we control C, then close the application. So this is our whole application for this project. So I hope you understand. First of all, we get all those things on my GitHub account, and then first of all we predict. First of all, I design my front end page and the backend, and also uploading Git in our AWS. Then we upload on GitHub.